for joining me. I am doing an 18 by 36 today on a gallery wrapped canvas. So I'm doing an open cup. I have something in mind, but as you all know, with pouring you never know exactly what you're going to get, but this is what I'm going to be doing. I've got 8 cups and I'm hoping just to do halfway with the open cup and then negative space across the top. If that's what we get, I'll be happy. Now my colours today are Monte Marte white. It is a little bit thicker than I would normally have it today, just because I don't really want to come past halfway. You'll see what I mean. So some grey that I made from the Monte Marte white and the Monte Marte black. So just a soft grey. And this last, no, not last, I've got Global Silver and Global Dawn. Are you in frame? I'm not too sure. It's a very soft, pretty pink. So let me do my base coat of white and then I'll come back to you. Okay, wish me luck. I'm going to put some white in first. So I'm not going to be using a lot in these cups. Being an 18 by 36, this needs roughly about 23 ounces and about 700 mils. So I've got a nice covering across the top part here. So it's a bit of a thicker covering along there. I'm going to do my open cup here, tilt it just a little bit. I just want it to go to maybe halfway. So I'm trying to have a little bit of control in the outcome. We'll see. So put some white in each cup. If this does go on too long, I will put some music on for you. That one's got more. Okay, let's go. I'm going to start with grey. Not quite sure yet if I need to do a few layers. I'll just work it out as I go. Now, a small amount of silver. Oops. Do I add some white? What I had in my head was maybe moving the cup myself and twisting it. So I've got a little bit of a pattern. Just a little bit more in each. And then I'm going to come back with some more pink. All right. So I have definitely used too much paint for what I had in mind. Yes. I'm creating a lot of bubbles there. I'm going to bring this one back. Bring this one back. Okay. So I have way too much paint. Way too much paint. So I'm going to bring it back to me. Just take just a little bit off and then bring it back. So you'll be out of frame for a second. All right, let's bring it back this way. Take some off. I'm going to just bring it down this side. Just because I don't want straight lines. What I had in my head was I wanted the ends to go up higher and then come down Not sure if I'm going to be able to achieve that. I don't know. Let's try. No, it's just going to move all the centre, isn't it? Okay, bring it back first. I'm going to bring it down the other end. Go off that corner. Bring it back. That is nothing like what I had in my head. Never is. I don't like how I have ended this. So let's have another go. Okay, let's just go in. I'm going to bring this one up and off there. It's just too uniform, so let's mess it up. I've still got plenty of paint to play with on here. Let's see. A little bit more. Yeah, that looks nicer. I like that better. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back my way just a little bit more, just to fill in the gaps that I've created. I've lost my tweezers. Here they are. Thought it was in the paint. Just trying to work out if I like it like that. I do, just one little tiny section. Just looks a bit odd there. I like it. Yeah, just like that. Subtle and pretty. I'm just going to get rid of that tiny dot of grey. There we go. All right, I'm going to give it a torch and then I'll bring you in. And just see one little thing here. Okay, I have to move fast now because that's a white negative space and I don't want anything in there. So let me bring you in. Okay. It's just so subtle and pretty. I really like it. And I can say, probably for the first time ever, it's exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Okay. So the ends go up and then it comes down in the centre. So I'm happy with that as well. It's just really, really pretty. I don't know, I just saw something in the shop that took my eye with the pink. And I thought I'll try and recreate that. Alright, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.